Up into Adventure Island. This is Adventure Island, guys, and it's so brilliant. This is Adventure Island, and it's brilliant, guys. There's so much adventure here, and to know what I'm talking about, just watch the rest of the video. I haven't got a clue where we're going, but we're going somewhere to an island, and yeah. I think you're going to need a bigger boat. I don't feel like it. I'm in a secret location. I'm not saying where I am. Reporting to you from a secret location, guys. I'm not allowed to disclose any information about where we are, but this is where we are, and it's so brilliant and it's really nice. Excellent. I recommend anyone to come here, except I'm not allowed to tell you where it is. If you can find it, you can come. If you can't, then you can't. So, sorry, I'm not telling you where it is. Descriptions. I'm not going to tell anyone anything, okay? Until I get 1 million likes and 200 million subscribers, I'm not saying anything about where I am, okay? If I get 200 million subscribers, I'll tell you guys where I am. Because I can't tell everyone where we are, because then they'll come and disturb the iguanas. Yeah. It's a swamp, it's quicksand, it's like the one in the movies, like Tarzan films. You have to pull yourself up over the vines, and if you don't, the ground swallows you up. It's horrible in there, don't go in there, baby. Don't ever step in quicksand, because like in the movies, when you step in quicksand, it starts to suck you in. Like the earth just sucks you in, basically. Oh, no, no. Imagine. Look at this interesting structure of tree roots. Look at this. I've never seen anything like it. Wow. That's very interesting. Wow, look at that. That mixed in with the ocean, the roots of the trees. Look at that. Wow, the upside down trees, it's like they're all upside down. Look at that rock formation, wow. This is great. This is cool. Oh, good jump. Wow, rock climbers. Wow. What's up there? More rock climbing. Wow. More rock climbing.
Đứng luôn đi. Đeo vào cái ID vào ghép. Mày đưa đứngไปเลย Đọc ร็ว
Rock climbing expedition, hello. Great. Wow.
You're next, right?
Am I? Really? Okay. I don't need ropes, I'll just go like this. So I'll go,
This bottom bit is hard.
yeah, I'll go free hands this way. Whoa, look at this. But when I see something like action worthy, I have to stop. So look at these vines. Look at these vines. This is a very climby place, baby. A very climby place. Look. You usually climb up these vines like Jack and the Beanstalk. Baby. It's like Jack and the Beanstalk. Where are you going? Look. What a place, man. It's like climbing frame made out of, it's like nature's climbing frame. It's provided it for you. Look at this. Wicked. Something here. Hold. Grab onto the ropes and just climb up. It's nature's climbing frame. Wow. This is something, man. I know I'm monkey school now. This is how much fun monkeys have. You can literally go right up the vines. Wow, I'm pretty high up as well now. Bambi, Bambi, for where have you gone? Where have you gone? Wherefore art thou? Right. Yeah, it's like the ropes. These are like ropes. So I can... Whoa! What a jump. That is brilliant. I love nature's climbing frames. It's amazing. Nature's climbing frames. That's amazing. I could probably go all the way up there. I'm going to climb some vines. I'm going to climb these vines. Bye. No, this one's loose. Oh god. Right. So this one is kind of solid. So this is the one really. This is the one. The vines are flying. These are loose. These are okay. You've got to make sure the vine is secure before you hold on. Just put them out, come out. Okay, I'm quite far up now. Look. There's the vine. Hello. Hello. Wow. This is like Tarzan. Wow. It's brilliant. You can literally climb up the whole mountain using these vines. Literally. Anyway, I'll come back down now because I don't want to climb up the whole mountain. The equipment. Okay, so that was fun. Yeah, great. That was brilliant. This is my domain. Wow. Yeah.
Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you guys.
Leonardo DiCaprio film, we're there. Baby, there's a monkey, it's coming for you. Be careful, there's a monkey coming for you. Right, big one. We're here, baby, we made it. I can't believe we're here. Best place ever. It is. This is the Leonardo DiCaprio's the beach. That's what it's Leonardo DiCaprio's the beach. Can't go to the beach, especially Leonardo DiCaprio's the beach. I'm not going swimming, so we're going to go swimming. I don't care how many towels I haven't got. Yeah, let's go swimming. Yeah, let's take number 12. Right, swimming time. Swimming time. that's amazing. I've never seen. What, can I touch? Oh no, it's moving now. No, no, you can't touch. Lizards on the beach. Excellent. Wow, that's amazing. What a place, man. It's coming all the way in. Whoa. 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 Hey, how's it going? It's brilliant here, isn't it? It's brilliant. Yeah, it's amazing. Take care, see you later. Whoa. Whoa. Shit. There's nowhere for my phone to go. There's no. Whoa, standing with my phone in the middle of the ocean. That's not good. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Just about made that, man. I was hit deep in water with my phone. Oh. The beach. In South Camp, yes. Yeah. This place and evaluate it, I would probably say I'll give it 100 million out of 3, and I'd say it's a place of joy. And if you can come here, come here. I'm still not going to tell you where it is because I don't really care. I'm not going to say because it's top secret. It's a place of joy, and you can come here if you can find it. If you can find the A-team, they can also find you. So one day, if you're in need and they turn up, then you can ask them where this is. Brilliant, guys. I can stand here and give you facts about the beach, but I can't really give you facts about the beach without actually giving away information about where the beach is. So I'm not going to give you any facts about the beach, but I can give you facts about the Leonardo DiCaprio movie, The Beach. Leonardo DiCaprio movie, The Beach, is a really good movie, and if you watch it, you'll have so much fun. It's brilliant. You can probably see this place, and you can see how Leonardo DiCaprio deals with it, and it's really different the way that he got here and the way that we got here. It's totally two different things, and then I'm going to do some action jumps. Baby, I'm going to do action jump. I'm going to do action jumps. I don't know how long you should do one. I don't know if that one works. I think that was rubbish, that one. I'll do another one. I think this one's going to be good. I don't know what. Yeah, those are my action jumps, and there's no particular way in which to do an action jump. The modus operandi is that you just like kind of run up to the ocean or the body of water that's in front of you and just fling yourself in it however you can. It's like any which way you can. Brilliant, I'm going to do it again. I can like set a dare for myself. Right, I'll do a dare. Should I do a dare, baby? I have to go to that rock over there.
Yeah, you can.
Should I go to that rock?
I wait. Yeah,
I have to swim there, yeah?
huh?
Well, I'm going to try and swim to the rock, yeah? I'm going to try to get to that rock over there. It's further than it looks on the camera, believe me. That's better. Yeah, I made it. I thought I'm going to stop. I was going against the waves going there, it was hard. I was almost going to stop, but I thought I'm not going to stop, just to go halfway and stop, so I carried on. Going there is hard, just going against the waves. Coming here, the wave is bringing me, so But yeah, very deep in the middle, baby, very deep. That was about 200 metre plus swim against the ocean, basically, to the rocks in the middle of the ocean. Brilliant, we did it anyway, guys. Take care. Bye. Guys, you can climb, you can swim, you can jump, you can do action jumps, you can do action climbs, you can do adventure islands. I'm never going to leave here. This is brilliant. I want to live here. Yep, that's right, guys. This is the beach of Leonardo DiCaprio's movie. This is it. This is the beach. That's the beach. It's brilliant in here, yeah, guys. And if you want to come here, if you want to know exactly where it is, I'm not going to tell you. So probably have to watch another video about it. It's a secret location. We're not allowed. We get in trouble. You probably have to check into a dingy hotel next to a weird English guy who kills himself and leaves a map for you. So if you can do that, then brilliant. You might be able to find it. Apart from that, there's nothing more I can help you. Sorry, can't tell you much more than that, guys. I'm going to do more action jumps. Other action jumps are rubbish. So Goodbye, Adventure Island. We love you. Bye, Adventure Island. We love you. Bye, the beach.